name's James, here for about 20 years or so, and moved into this condo, loved this space. The balcony, though, was really minimal usage. It was almost unusable. You just look around Vancouver and you see how many people, even on a nice sunny day, are using their balcony, and almost nobody. So the main problem here was the wind, because even on a nice day, you can't control that aspect of it. So the Lumon product did solve that problem. Prior to Lumon, maybe 10% of the year, if that, it would be used mainly to cook, barbecue, something. If all conditions were perfect, then using it outside. But after that, it's become closer to 90%. It's now the best room in the house, frankly. View-wise, just space, the ambiance. So it solved the wind problem, the rain problem, noise, dust, and the other thing is sun. Because the sun moves, especially in the summertime, to the west. It's facing directly in here into your face. You either need an umbrella, which gets blown around in the wind, takes up space, or in our case, we just simply lower these blinds and problem solved. Well, if there's any hesitation, I would recommend visiting an installed unit already, either in a retrofit or a brand new build, because seeing for yourself really does allay those concerns. But honestly, I cannot think of one negative to having this. It's a night and day difference. It totally transformed the place and made an outdoor unusable space actually usable. So I really can't say, I struggle to think of anything that I would not want. Yeah.